How to remove keyboard grease. I always wash my hands before using my computer, but after 2.5 years the keys have started getting a little greasy from my finger oils. What is the best way to clean this? Edit, clarification, it's a laptop.
Diluted isopropyl alcohol on a cloth is the best for removing oils and grease. Try to buy it pre-diluted or dilute it yourself using demineralized water. Never use it non-diluted as the alcohol can damage the plastic. 50% is probably the maximum safe mix, 30% isopropyl alcohol or less on more sensitive surfaces. Don't use a dishwasher unless you're prepared to lose the keyboard. Every model is different and some have exposed electrical surfaces that if not dried perfectly will short-circuit the keyboard.
The easiest way is to run it in the dishwasher. There's a YouTube video demonstrating this. This URL. Even Jeff Atwood mentions it. This URL. The video shows the keyboard going in whole. I remove the keys first and put them in the little things holder in our dishwasher. This helps the drying time. I found the new Pledge wipes. Looks like kid diaper wipes, but treated with Pledge. The electronics one works best. Work great on my laptop. Edit. Here is what I am talking about. Link text.
I generally recommend any plastic-safe electronics cleaner. Moisten a cleaning cloth, preferably lint-free, with it and clean the keys. You could also use isopropyl alcohol or any plastic-safe residue-free cleaner.